so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this beautiful wig. As you guys can see, so pretty, so nice. You guys see me looking this way is because I do have my little mirror right here. You want to put on your wig, make sure it's even. So this one stops right here, and then this one stops right here on my other side of my ear. I'm going to be taking my Ghost Bond. You're going to take the glue. Whichever one you prefer, dots, both, you do whatever makes you feel comfortable. As you can see, my glue is already dry. Well, it's not dry, it's tacky right now. My glue is tacky, and that was just one layer. So when that's tacky, you can add another layer of glue the same way. My last layer, which is going to be my third layer of glue. Don't want it to last that long, just use one layer. You can use one layer or two layers. Where you place the glue is where you want to put the wig down. And even if you make a little mistake and you don't place it exactly where you put the glue, that's fine. So you just want to press it in, rub it in, and you want to make sure you do that before it gets dry. And any parts that does not stick down, always go back and add more glue so that it's not a problem. You can use whatever, a band, a shoelace, a head wrap, whatever can get right here to hold the glue down and melt it. Use it. Use what you have. Okay, you want it to be like this so it can hold. And yes, you can get a blow dryer or you can let it air dry. However long you want to dry your hair, you do it. Okay, so I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut. You don't want to cut straight like that. You want to just move the scissors a little while you're cutting to give it like a more natural look. So if you just see my hand movement, is where you want to cut it above your ear. Like this, I'm going to cut from the bottom up right here. And be careful so you don't cut your ear. Excess lace that you have, and cut it off. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my glue again, and I'm going to be gluing it. I add more glue on this side because the ear parts, they don't never stay. For some reason, these sides, they just don't stay down. I'm going to keep a finger here to hold it. Any finger you feel comfortable with to hold it. And then blow dry. it on top of my lace, and then I'm gonna get the blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry on cool. See that? Compared to this side. Alright, so wig is secured, guys. She's just secure. You see that? She is secured. Okay, I'm gonna be using my foundation. This is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the shade 355 Coconut. I'm gonna be literally dabbing a little bit. You don't want to use too much foundation. You just want to put like a little dab dab, and then just work your way around the lace. Honey, did you see how we went from white to what lace? Hello? What lace? Hello? What lace? After I put the makeup, then I put this back on to sit. I pin this around literally where my lace ends, like right here. Where my lace is, at the tip of my lace. Bam. And you can do it however you want to. You want to be like Spanish mommy, Pocahontas. However you want to style it, you style it. I'ma just do a free part. Just a free part. Guys, like this look as much as I did, and you found this video helpful. So thank you guys for watching, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. See you in my next video. Bye.